A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Dolphin Cove's profit dipped slightly in the first quarter of this year. The company said profit for the 3 months at the end of March was $1.4 million compared to $1.5 million in the same period a year ago. Dolphin Cove said the lower profit was due to higher expenses associated with the publicity campaign it undertook for its Yaman Adventure Park. And Key Insurance is reporting a loss amounting to $1.1 million for the January to March quarter. Last year, in the corresponding period, the company earned just under $3 million in profit. Commodities trading now, and the price of oil finished lower for the first time in 4 sessions today. Oil for delivery in June slid 19 cents to settle at $48.66 a barrel. The dip came as analysts doubt whether output cuts can trim global stockpiles. And currency trading ended with the US dollar selling for $130.15. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $96.72. The pound costs $168.90, while the euro is selling for $143.94. In trading on the Jamaica Stock Exchange ended today with the main index up more than 1,377 points, while the junior market index gained 34. The winners of the day included AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Producers, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Lasco Distributors, the NCB Financial Group, Rated Jamaica, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were Cable and Wireless, Derrimon Trading, Jamaica Producers, the Cayley Group, Lasco Financial, the Sagicor Group, and T-Tech. And that's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.